Kaji so Majapi to his wifey, I love you my rib, my comfort, my home. After 12 years of wedded bliss and challenges, Kaji so Majapi is still totally besotted with his wife, Liza. Kaji so and Liza celebrated their anniversary earlier this week, and he penned the sweetest note to her. Many people paint a perfect picture of what marriage is. But you and I represent what true companionship, partnership, friendship, and what forever and unconditional love is. Just like any marriage, we are not immune to challenges, trials and tribulations. The actors said that the manner in which they've tackled life's challenges was proof that God made an excellent choice in putting them together as life partners. It is through you that I truly understand what the beauty of life really means. Hope to grow old with you and take on more challenges head on, because with you by my side, life is limitless. I love you my friend, I repeat I love you my rib, my comfort, my home. Your inner beauty remains the platinum plate that I enjoy eating from day in and day out. Your laugh still dazzles my soul. Swoon.